Hello, welcome to Mushabbar. I was looking for free live streaming solutions because I need to make some interviews. I need to conduct some interviews, and also for my normal videos, I want to do them live. So I was looking for free live streaming solutions, and I found that these days there are two solutions that are very possible, that are very popular. One of them is OBS Studio. OBS stands for Open uh, Broadcaster Software. It is a freeware, so anybody can use it for free and even modify it and optimize it. And then the other solution is StreamYard. StreamYard is web-based application, and it has both possibilities. You can use it for free, but then there are only limited number of options. For the rest of the options, you have to buy subscription fee. While I was looking for the features, I found a video from some guy named Michael. I think it is good to look at this video to try to understand what software is good for you, or what kind of solution you need for your free live streaming. I can share my desktop to show his results, and I think they are very important to look into that if you are going to decide, like me, what to use for free live streaming software. Uh, right now, I am using StreamYard. It is first time basically I am using it, uh, so I will probably make a lot of errors. So let's see if I can share my screen. So now I am sharing my screen, and I think you can see that. And here you can see the difference between the OBS Studio and the StreamYard. As you can see in both of these cases, we can add text for free. We can share our screens. Like right now, I'm sharing my screen with you guys using StreamYard. We can have a green screen. It basically means the background screen, and then my image can appear in front of that, so the background can be manipulated. We can add guests. I will test that soon. Maybe with I will pick someone to test this thing. Then for overlays and adding videos and recording stream, for these things in OBS, people can do it for free, but in case of StreamYard, which is a web-based application, you have to buy these features by buying a subscription. And I think everything is free in OBS because it is a freeware software. And then this guy Michael, he also did some kind of pros and cons. Let's look into that one. According to his analysis, it is not very easy to set up OBS Studio. OBS Studio also requires a lot of computer resources, because I think OBS software has to be downloaded, it has to be configured. But in case of StreamYard, you don't have to download anything. It's a web-based solution, so it's very easy to use. I could use it within 2-3 minutes. Yeah, it's first time I'm using it, and you can see it is working. I will see the results later on because I am streaming this on the YouTube, and I heard that there was some kind of error regarding audio. Uh, in case of OBS Studio, there are a lot of text features that can be used, but in case of StreamYard, there are only few possibilities to use text features. It is very hard in OBS Studio to add guests. It's basically because I think there are a lot of options in OBS Studio, and depending on where you are going to stream and how you are going to stream, maybe you have to configure it properly. I will look into that. And then in StreamYard, it is very easy. It looks like it is very easy to do that. Then there are unlimited layout options in case of OBS Studio, but in case of StreamYard, there are not many options available for layout. As it is very clear now that OBS Studio is a challenging thing. It will not be very easy to use it, but StreamYard is very easy to use it. So I think I will use the StreamYard from beginning to make my future videos and also to conduct different kind of interviews. But in the long run, I think I will move to OBS Studio because OBS Studio has a lot of possibilities and also it is completely free. So for technical people, I think they should try to use OBS Studio. But maybe it is not easy to add guests, and maybe it is not easy to even manage guests because they probably have to do something. If we want to look about what kind of features we can have at which cost for the StreamYard case, then these are the things that you can get for free with StreamYard. But I am more interested in multi-streaming because I want to multi-stream at least at 4 or 5 places. So probably if I want to use StreamYard, I have to buy the professional version of it. So that is costing like $40 per month. So for me, these two features for free and for the basic one, maybe they are not good enough for me. But as I said in the beginning, I think we will use the StreamYard to make our future videos and to conduct interviews. And I like to make videos live because then there is no possibility to edit. And I don't want to waste my time in editing videos. If we are doing mistakes during live videos or if there are errors, there's no problem. We all are learning. So let's go back. So I will now unshare my screen. Yeah. So let me check if I can write different kind of commands. And I heard that if you write, I think I read somewhere that if you write comments here, they should appear in your social media uh, pages or groups. I'm using right now I'm streaming on the YouTube, so these comments they should I think appear in the YouTube. I will see at the end of this video it if it is working or not. So I think that was all for today. I just wanted to check how the StreamYard work, and also I wanted to let you guys know that if you want to do some free live streaming, then you can use either OBS Studio or you can use the StreamYard. Uh, and I think if you are only going to make live video uh, for one kind of social media platform like YouTube, for example, then probably StreamYard is very good. But if you want to broadcast on multiple channels, then you need to buy actually. Then you can't use the free version of StreamYard. You have to buy the subscription, maybe for $40 per month. So nowadays, I think while everyone is working from home and from remote, uh, these kind of solutions will become very popular. So StreamYard may become one of the top application, very popular application that people will be using a lot in the future. And if you want to use some kind of free live streaming solution, then I think StreamYard is probably the way to go from at least in the beginning, and then as you learn, you can move to OBS Studio. So that was all for today. Thank you to all of you, and bye bye. See you next time.